Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg fry very tasty. First, select fresh, large eggs. They truly make a difference. Next, prepare your pan by heating it gently over medium-low heat. This ensures your eggs cook evenly without burning. Have your oil, salt, and pepper ready to go. We're aiming for delicious, perfectly cooked egg fry every time, so these initial steps are crucial for success. Now, let's get frying. Add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil to the warm pan. Carefully crack 2 eggs into the pan, being mindful not to break the yolks. Cook them gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the egg whites are fully set and opaque, but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. This careful timing is key to that perfect texture. To elevate the flavor, season your eggs immediately with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a dash of chili flakes can add a delightful subtle kick. For an extra touch, cover the pan for about 30 seconds. This creates a steam-basted effect, ensuring the yolks are warm and slightly jammy while still being wonderfully runny. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Your perfectly tasty egg fry is now ready. Gently slide the cooked eggs from the pan onto a warm plate. A warm plate helps maintain their temperature and deliciousness. For a final flourish, garnish with some fresh herbs, perhaps chopped cilantro or chives, to add a burst of color and freshness. Serve your egg fry immediately with a slice of toast or your favorite breakfast accompaniment. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.